we have three equations. P plus Q equals 18, Q plus R equals 54, R plus P equals 36. The question is, what is the value of P plus Q plus R? Let's solve it. First, let's add all three equations together. On the left hand side, we have P plus Q, then Q plus R, then R plus P. And on the right hand side, we have 18 plus 54 plus 36. Let's combine the terms. We have 2 P's, 2 Q's and 2 R's. So we get 2P plus 2Q plus 2R. And on the right hand side, 54 plus 36, 54 plus 36, which equals 90, and again 18. So total it is 108. Now take 2 as common factor from 2P, 2Q, 2R. 2 times of P plus Q plus R, and this 108 can be written as 2 times of 54. Okay, now these 2 and these 2 gets cancelled out, leaving P plus Q plus R equal to 54. So the final answer is 54.